In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Sweatcoin Isn't Responding on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're trying to use Sweatcoin app, but you're getting this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. To fix this, you need to access your Sweatcoin app info page by going to settings. So I'll just go to settings here. And from here, go to apps. From your app, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From this, just search for your app by name. So I'll just search for the app, and this will take us to the apps info page. Here, go to force stop app, and then go to clear data and choose clear cache and okay. Then you need to restart your phone, and now if you go to your app, now it should be working without any issue. But at this point, should the app still not respond, then you need to check if we have an update for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. So I'll go to Google Play Store and search for my app, and here if I run search, you can see we have our app here. Check if we have an update, then update your app to the latest version. Once this is done, now your app should be running without any issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.